Hi everyone, Siavash here, and in this video I'm going to demo our ClinicSync Pro AI receptionist that works with conversational chatbots such as your live chat, your SMS, your Instagram DM, Facebook Messenger, and those kind of things. And this one is for you guys that you use Cliniko as your practice management software. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run you through a quick demo of how this tool actually directly books inside your clinical calendar, and then I'm going to show you a little bit about like how you can actually get access to this, how to set it up, and basically where you can find more demos on keep this up and running. All right, so I have a demo website in here that I put a live chat widget from GHL on it. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on chat with an agent. And then I'm just going to basically say, I would like to book an appointment. This is basically going to goes back to Cliniko, figure out what type of treatments we have available. So in this case, it says first appointment and follow-up appointment. This is the Cliniko account that we have. And if I click on appointment types, these are the exactly two appointment types that we have. And I'm just going to say first appointment. And the next question that it's going to ask is going to ask about the provider. So if we give it a sec, it's going to go and figure out what type of providers we have, or how many we have that provides the first appointment. In this case, it's Mary Smith and John Doe. We go back, go to settings, and if you look at our users and practitioners, you can see that these are the two practitioners that we have to provide that appointment. So I'm just going to say, I'm not going to bore you with more details. So I'm just going to say John Doe and earliest available, because that would be the next question, what time you want to book it. So I'm just going to tell it that the earliest available that John Doe has. Just going to go and figure that out when it's the earliest available and come back with a response. All right, so it tells us that that's the earliest available, 4:15 p.m. for 45 minutes. And I say yes, book it. The next thing it's going to ask, obviously, it doesn't know who I am, so it's going to ask for my informations. And I'm going to call myself Alex Smith. Next one would be the phone number that it's going to ask. Let's say 0402 56 123. And then the next one would be the email address. Hopefully, there we go. Now it has gathered all the information. It's going to send one last confirmation message before actually booking it. And when we say yes, it will actually go inside Cliniko and book that appointment with in the Cliniko calendar. I will reply back in here that it's been successful. So if we go back now to our Cliniko, if you click on patients, you can see that we have Alex Smith with that email, July 9th. If I click on that, you will see the appointment. It's an upcoming appointment at 4:15. That's been booked. First appointment with John Doe. So everything works perfectly here. Now, the setup for this is pretty straightforward. So if you don't have ClinicSync Pro, you need to basically go to clinicsyncpro.com, and we have two products. One is Simple Sync. The Simple Sync is not gonna have the AI receptionist on it. The second tier that we have, it's Autopilot that has the AI receptionist, both voice and also the conversation. If you already have the AI receptionist voice, you can download the snapshot for the conversation as well. Once you download that and once you get access to our whole AI receptionist, you will have a dashboard like this that will give you more details. So you're going to have your API key basically to access all these things that we just did. And then you have this simple dashboard that grabs all the information from your Cliniko. And then in here, you can basically decide which one of these treatments, practitioners, and locations are going to be accessible or bookable via the AI reception. So you can basically play with it in here. We do have tutorial videos that I highly encourage you to watch. These are step by step how to actually set this thing up. And lastly is basically what actually makes this run is a very simple workflow that we have inside our snapshot. So in this workflow, as you can see, there's like all the channels that you can connect to GHL. So Insta DM, WhatsApp, live chat, SMS, Facebook. And then within the condition, we basically switch up the channels. And the only difference between these webhooks is the reply channel. So the SMS replies in SMS, live chat, FB, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So there's nothing else that you need to do in here. We automatically push the data into the correct channel based on this setup. The only other thing that you need to set up is basically these custom values, which comes with the snapshot. So if you go back in here, if you go back to settings, and if you go to your custom values, this is basically the things that you need to set up. So this is the endpoint. So this is where all the magic happens. You just put that in. This would be the name of your clinic. Put it in here. Time zone, exactly the way that you have it inside your GHL. This is obviously going to be the time zone that you have in your uh, Cliniko as well. So if you go to general settings and if you scroll down, you see it says Sydney. So it's going to be Australia/Sydney. Uh, Make sure that that is correct. Otherwise, you're gonna get some weird timing. And then this API key is basically what we discuss in here. Just copy and paste that there. And that's it. You will have a conversational and also a voice AI that can book, cancel, and reschedule directly in your Clinica. If you have any question, you can flick us an email at hello@clinicsyncpro.com, or if you've already have an account with us, you'll be able to join any of our 2 office hours that we have every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye.